Hey DIY family! Are you living in a rental and stuck staring at boring beige walls because you can't paint or drill? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing renter-friendly wall treatments that are totally damage-free but absolutely stunning. Let's turn your temporary space into a place you love. First up, peel and stick wallpaper. This is a game changer. You get bold patterns, texture, and even faux brick or wood looks without ruining your walls. Let me show you how easy it is to apply. Start from the top of your wall, peel off a small section of the backing and stick it in place. Use a smoothing tool to press out any bubbles as you go. Pro tip: start from the top, use a smoothing tool to press out bubbles and trim the edges with a craft knife for a perfect finish. Trim the edges with a craft knife for a clean finish. If you make a mistake, just peel it back and reposition. No stress. Use peel and stick wallpaper on one accent wall to create a statement without overwhelming your space or your budget. No nails? No problem. Try command hooks or strips to hang lightweight art, frames, or even fabric panels. Let's create a small gallery wall together. Arrange your art on the floor first to plan your layout, then stick the hooks to the wall and hang your frames. Want to add some flair? Try adding LED strip lights around your gallery wall for a cozy glow. And if you want that shelf look, picture ledges using adhesive mounting tape give the illusion without a single hole. Looking for something super creative and cozy? Use fabric as wall art. Stretch it over a canvas or hang a large tapestry with curtain clips and a tension rod. You can go boho, minimalist, or glam, whatever fits your style. Here are a few examples. Let's do a quick time lapse of hanging a fabric panel with curtain clips and a tension rod. If you want something quick and playful, wall decals are where it's at. From motivational quotes to botanical patterns, they're perfect for bedrooms, offices, or kids' rooms. Let's apply a few and see how easy they are to remove. Just peel one off. See? Zero damage. Before you start, always test a small area to make sure your wall surface is compatible with the adhesive. And when it's time to move, go slow and use a hairdryer to loosen adhesive for easy, damage-free removal. There you go. 4 ways to personalize your walls without ever picking up a hammer or upsetting your landlord. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a DIY drop.